In this video we will discuss about capsicum poisoning. It is also known as red pepper. What is capsicum? It is also commonly known as red hot chilies, red pepper, lol merch. It is not a fatal poison. Its powder has a pungent, long-lasting, burning taste, and a pungent smell. Habitat of capsicum. Capsicum is native to South America and Central America. Seeds of capsicum. Capsicum seeds resembles to the seeds of datura, but they can be differentiated as capsicum seeds are yellow-colored. They are circular-shaped. Toxic ingredients in capsicum. Its active principles are capsaicin. Capsicin. What is Hunan hand syndrome? Also known as chili burn. It is a skin condition of intense burning sensation in palms of hands after handling of chili peppers containing capsaicin. Signs and symptoms of capsicum poisoning. These depend on the route of exposure. On exposure to skin, it causes irritation, vesiccation and pain. On exposure to eyes, it occurs in case of local application on eyes, or getting in contact with fumes. It causes burning sensation, lacrimation and redness to conjunctiva. On ingestion, it causes severe burning in mouth, throat, esophagus and stomach. It causes constipation. It causes painful defecation. It causes salivation along with nausea and vomiting. Treatment of capsicum poisoning. For skin exposure, wash with water. Treat irritation symptomatically. For eyes exposure, wash with saline. Treat with topical antibiotics and steroids, to decrease risk of infection and inflammation. For ingestion, scrape the tongue with a blunt object. Suck ice to reduce the burning. Stomach wash with plenty of plain water, followed by demulcent drink. Medico-legal significance of capsicum. It is used for torture. Its powder was used to be inserted into eyes, nostrils, mouth, urethra, vagina etc., to cause pain. It is used commercially as condiments, to add flavor to food.